Today I'm doing a toy review, and if you hear anything in the background like you're hearing right now, my dad putting away groceries. So, 3 pounds of slime. Let me get this open. Yeah, I can't open it. Oh, that smells good. It smells like conditioner. That smells like the same conditioner we have. So here it is. It is not pokey. Oh, it's weird. Ah, it's so weird. It feels weird. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at it. Daddy, look. So, there's a lot in here. Oh, 3 pounds of slime. That was big. I'm keeping this to myself. No one else gets it. It's not pokey. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Just going to hear this. It smells good. Bad smell. And it says it's super stretchy, huh? It just falls right apart. This was a fail. Super stretchy, huh? It falls in the little pieces. That's just bad quality. Ugh. Gotta get this on the table. Oh, yeah. I don't know what this is made out of. What's this made out of? I can't find it. They didn't make it with glue, so it's not, like sticky together. See? It just falls apart. That's bad quality. It's good to slap. It's good. It's good to slap. Can't find anything on this. Stretch it, squeeze it, squoosh it. What? Squishy like slime. It is squishy. Oh, that's satisfying. This is not what you do with slime. It says it's super stretchy right there, huh? See? Super stretchy. Let's see. Aha! Tear. It says it's super stretchy. No, it's not. But it's still fun to do it. It's good to squeeze. It feels good to squeeze it. Squeeze. 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 So here is 3 pounds of slime. Ugh. Now I'm going to show you the homemade slime I made last night compared to this one. And here's the slime I made last night, which is way smaller. Purple slime, which is actually stretchy, very stretchy. You guys can see this black, but it's purple. I try not to get these mixed up. I'm trying. This one, I made this one with Elmer's glue, like the real slime recipe, and this one I made with glue. Main conditioner, I think. So this slime is look at that. There's still bubbles in it. I'm gonna let that sit. And this one's actually pokey slime, see? Gets out of the way. Ugh, man, that's heavy. Alright. folded it, and then it goes back. Fold, back, fold, back. Okay, so bye. Notifications, subscribe, comment what I should do next. Bye-bye.